Hi, my name is Wart Becker and welcome to another Grafana video. Today I'll show you how to get started with Grafana Cloud and start visualizing your Kubernetes metrics and logs in 3 easy steps. First, we're gonna sign up with Grafana Cloud for a fully managed Grafana, metrics and logs. Second, we're gonna install Prometheus and Loki agents on our Kubernetes cluster. We'll also install Nginx as our sample application. And as a last step, we're gonna explore those Nginx metrics and logs in our hosted Grafana. Let's go to the grafana.com website to sign up with Grafana Cloud. Open the Grafana Cloud product page and press the big orange button. Alright, we'll go for the standard plan. This gives us a dedicated Grafana instance with 3000 active metric series and 100 gigs of logs per month. Let's put in my email address. We can choose a username. This is my second account, so let's put WartBecker2. Great, let's create my account. I expect to add more team members later, so let's create Team Wart. And after I add my billing contact info, I need to add my credit card. And we're done. Our Grafana Cloud account is ready for use. Let's create an API key so we can start pushing our metrics and logs from our Kubernetes cluster. Next step is to install Prometheus and the Loki agent on our Kubernetes cluster using Helm. Before we do that, we'll create a new Kubernetes cluster on Google Cloud. The standard cluster template is fine for today, and we can accept all the default settings. Great, we now have a brand new Kubernetes cluster. We need to copy the command to configure our local kube control with our cluster credentials. To be able to use Helm, we need to create a service account to install Tiller, which is the Helm cluster component. And Tiller is deployed. Next up, we'll install the Loki agent called Promptil. Let's register the Loki Helm repository and make sure we have all the latest charts. The Promptil chart requires a values file. In this file, we specify the Grafana Cloud logs endpoint. For passwords, we use the API key we created earlier in our Grafana portal. Great, looks good. Next is Prometheus. Again, we'll supply a values file with the Grafana Cloud metrics endpoint and password. Last Helm package we are installing is Nginx, which is today's sample application. Great. Nginx is running and is reachable. Our Kubernetes cluster is now configured to send over all Nginx metrics and logs to Grafana Cloud. We can now start correlating our Prometheus metrics and Loki logs in our hosted Grafana. Our hosted Grafana comes with the data sources pre-configured, so we can go directly to Grafana Explorer view to explore our Nginx metrics and logs. Alright, let's split the view and show our logs on the right side. We can link the views so time ranges will stay synced, same in both views. Great, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.